Christian Prince cannot imagine how many people he has turned Muslims.
Salam saudaraku, kemarin waktu saya scroll TikTok ya, muncul di beranda saya ada seorang muslimah dari luar ini sepertinya, saya nggak kenal siapa dia. Tapi ketika saya cek di profile TikToknya, sepertinya dia ini adalah seorang polemikus yang sama seperti polemikus pada umumnya lah ya. Karena di dalam videonya dia ini membuat narasi-narasi klaim sepihak tentang Christian Prince. Jadi dalam thumbnail ini kita melihat namanya adalah Cika Kati ya, dan di judulnya dituliskan akibat gencar jatuhkan Islam, Christian Prince justru Islamkan banyak orang. Mari kita dengar dulu celotehan muslimah ini.
Christian Prince cannot imagine how many people he has turned Muslims. I got a lot of messages, go to Christian Prince, let Christian Prince educate you. Christian Prince knows so much about Islam, go to Christian Prince. And those that were coming to me were giving me Quran verses. It was those Quran verses that you guys were giving me that made me to come out boldly today to say that I'm a Muslim. It made me revert back to Islam. You understand? I watched a video of a brother this morning saying the same thing. You see, you are trying so much, so hard to make Islam look bad, make people see Islam as a bad thing. But you don't know how many people you are turning to be Muslim by doing that. As you are trying to put Islam down, you don't know you are lifting Islam up. I hope Christian Prince will see this video. You don't know how many people you have turned Islam because curiosity killed the cat.
Jadi ceritanya, polemikus ini ditantang netizen supaya masuk di roomnya Christian Prince dan berdebat dengan Christian Prince ya. Tapi alih-alih menjawab tantangan netizen, polemikus ini justru mengklaim bahwa Christian Prince itu justru telah membuat banyak orang masuk Islam dengan diskusi-diskusi yang dia buat di roomnya. Bahkan dia bilang seberapa besar pun usaha Christian Prince untuk membuat Islam terlihat buruk, itu akan sia-sia karena menurutnya Christian Prince justru membuat banyak orang memeluk agama Islam. Nah, yang pertama, benarkah Christian Prince berdiskusi dengan cara membuat Islam terlihat buruk ya? Ya, tentu saja ini merupakan klaim kosong dari muslimah ini ya. Karena kalau kita mengikuti setiap room diskusinya Christian Prince itu selalu berdiskusi dengan data ya. Bahkan dia sangat menguasai bahasa Arab, menguasai Quran dan juga hadis. Bahkan setiap muslim yang masuk di roomnya justru terlihat tidak tahu apa-apa dibandingkan Christian Prince itu sendiri. Bahkan Zakir Naik pun pernah ditantang diskusi, tapi sampai sekarang nggak ada jawaban dari si Zakir Naiknya. Dan yang kedua, benarkah banyak orang masuk ke Islam gara-gara Christian Prince seperti yang tadi diklaim oleh si muslimah ini? Lagi-lagi tentu saja ini merupakan klaim kosong teman-teman, karena faktanya jika kita mengikuti siaran diskusinya Christian Prince, sudah banyak Islam yang berhasil dimurtadkan ketika berdiskusi dengan Christian Prince. Sudah banyak kok video-video Christian Prince di YouTube yang memurtadkan orang-orang Islam ya. Dan saya akan tunjukkan salah satunya dari sekian banyaknya Muslim yang dimurtadkan oleh Christian Prince. Kita lihat video berikut ini.
Do it the same way anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna do that.
But I'm happy for you. What make you leave Islam?
Well, I watched your video for 2 weeks.
Okay.
And so I don't want to wait too long.
Take your time, no problem. You know, we have time. We are done with the Abdul. Take your time, go ahead. So what make you leave Islam? Tell us a story. Guys, do you like to hear our sister here, why she left Islam and why she became a Christian?
Yeah, I left Islam because of your video. I watched for 2 weeks. And so I decided right away to leave Islam. And because I don't want to be stupid too long, you know. My whole life has been deceived, like all those imam tell a lie. So when I ask them, they don't have any answer at all. So I decided right away to leave Islam. Even my parents, still Muslim, they kicked me out. So I have to find another job, maybe because I don't have internet. Even now, I use a neighbor Wi-Fi.
Oh. This is what Abdul usually do.
This is true story.
True story, I believe you.
Yeah, so because I need to find a job and rent a house or something soon, so I can get Wi-Fi in my house, because now I don't have. I stay with my friend's house. Yeah,
Tell your
but
neighbors.
it's not
Tell your
deal.
neighbors that you are using their Wi-Fi.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Thank you,
But
Christian Prince, for everything you've done.
So 2 weeks make you leave Islam? I mean,
Yeah. I don't want to wait too long, because it's everything you do there is convince me, and you put everything on a screen, and right away I learn and search in English, and you write.
But
So
not,
I was thinking
not,
for someone who translate in Bahasa Indonesia, because two of my friends left Islam because of that video, because they don't speak English. But the thing is, they don't put a full video. Maybe I just ask them to put full video so that can learn more, because they just only put like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It's really work, you know. People now
it take time to translate. I appreciate those people who they are translating. It's not easy, you know, to translate. Like, I imagine how many words me and you we just said now. So translation work is not really easy. But you know, I hope we will be able to have my book translated to the Indonesian language, so people that can get the reference.
When's gonna publish? I was waiting for it.
I have now almost ready the book in the Malay language, and I've been told that the Malay language is not the same as Indonesian. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's same, but some word is different, but it's
only some words, so you can understand in full.
Yeah, we understand it.
Okay, I will see how I can publish it soon, so you guys can have it, and mostly I will publish it for free for all.
I need to give the book to my dad, because he's you know, he's been, oh my God, I'm really upset. Even though they kick me out, I still love them, really. I pray for them every day.
Yeah, I still love them and don't hate anyone.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm so happy. If you have more friends, they decide to leave Islam, they want to call us, let them call. And even if they don't speak the language, you can translate, you know, tell us their story.
I think also maybe translate in native language, because we have a lot of different language in Indonesia, like more than 500 native language. So I was trying to make video and put in a different translation, you know.
Yeah. Well, I'm happy for you, my friend and my sister. I'm so happy for you. And I saw actually a lot of Indonesian people leaving Islam watching the videos with us.
Yeah, even my friend.
Yeah.
A lot of Muslims left Islam.
Yeah. This is why we say that it's important to share videos and to translate. Those who speak other languages
have to do that, because you know, we don't know when we do it. Maybe maybe one person will leave Islam. So yeah, we have to do that.
Yeah, actually, a lot of people leave Islam, trust me. And not only that, when you translate like now, the one who is translating those videos to Indonesian language, it is him who helped those who don't speak English to leave Islam, not me. You know, which means he will get the blessing of the Lord for because it is his work too. You know what I mean? Yes, maybe I'm the one who made the video, maybe I'm the one who have the knowledge, I'm the one who's speaking. But if he did not do that part of him to translate, then those people will not know what we are talking about, and they will stay now blind and following the pagan god of Islam. So, you know, when somebody translates, he is getting the blessing of the Lord, for he himself now is in the mission, and he himself, he brought people to Christ.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for calling my sister, and welcome anytime to call if you have anything to say.
Okay, thank you. God bless you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. It's very important. I wish I speak all languages. I wish. I mean, imagine if I speak the Indonesian language, man. I will make the whole country leave Islam in 2 weeks. Maybe somebody can teach me the language. Is it hard to learn Indonesian language? Maybe I should go and stay in Indonesia for some time. Maybe 6 weeks.
Jadi video tadi adalah testimoni percakapan Christian Prince dengan salah satu muslimah yang berasal dari Indonesia, yang murtad karena menonton video-videonya Christian Prince yang diterjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Bahkan kita dengar sendiri tadi ya, dia menjadi murtad bukan karena Christian Prince itu omong kosong dengan menjelek-jelekkan Islam, bukan. Tetapi dia murtad karena melihat bahwa Christian Prince menampilkan juga data-data di dalam video kontennya, dan itulah yang membuat muslimah ini hanya dalam waktu 2 minggu setelah menonton Christian Prince, dia memilih untuk murtad, teman-teman. Ya, luar biasa ya, itu hanya salah satu contoh sih dari banyaknya kesaksian orang-orang yang murtad dari Islam setelah menonton Christian Prince. Itulah mengapa Christian Prince dari dulu sampai sekarang diburu, bahkan sedang dicari identitas aslinya, karena dianggap telah meresahkan dan mengakibatkan banyak muslim yang akhirnya memilih untuk murtad. Jadi, klaim dari muslimah tadi itu semua hanya omong kosong. Mungkin dia nggak tahu lagi bagaimana cara membela agamanya, sementara Christian Prince di satu sisi terus melakukan diskusi-diskusi dengan orang-orang Islam, dan banyak di antara mereka yang memilih untuk menjadi murtad. Salam kritis, Tuhan Yesus memberkati. Salam.